Alrighty, YouTubers, we have another special Amazon unboxing video to do, courtesy of Paneceia. Hopefully everyone had a good day, everybody is safe, and here we go. This is definitely a nice one to get, with the end of summer coming up, with all the parties going on. This is a good thing for your grilling needs, or your in-home needs. Great for culinary students, or all shapes and sizes. Oh yeah, got the meats, got the chicken, got the veggies. It's a wireless smart meat thermometer. Definitely check them out. Thank you guys for sending me this for a review. And you guys can check them out. Link down below. But this has it all. It has an app you're going to have to download. And then allow its permissions to use. Here we go, the manual. There's an app. Here's app Chef Barbecue, it's called. Here is a thermometer. It's already set up. There's a little button right here. Watch this. Boom. It's like a lightsaber. It's like the RTD2 pop-up. See? Boop. Pretty cool. Nice LED screen. A little dusty. There we go. And now we're going to enter the app. Turn it on. Just going to scan it. It's going to take a second. Might have to refresh. And enter the app. Alright guys, once you enter the app, click that. Oh, there we go. Connecting. Here we go. Look how easy that was. Now we got this going, and now you make sure you press this eject tool. Here comes the pen. Look at that. Gotta give it a few minutes like cook. And now we're gonna start recording. Target 168 peak. And then we can switch it to pork. If you want it well done, keep it at 181. Confirm. Now it's sizzling a little bit. I'm going to give it a few minutes before I stick it. There's a line right above there. See that little line? That's where you got to stop at when you stick like the bigger meats. So don't go over to that side. Stay below the line. Now I can see it since it's been cooking for a while. I'm going to stick it just enough. Make sure you don't burn your hands off. Now we got, it's almost there. And make sure you clean it, wipe it down, you'll be good to go. So definitely check them out, guys. Link's going to be in the bio. You guys be safe. Have a good night.